Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. My name is Graham and this is Graham's girlfriend, and welcome back to the show. And today we got this video here that looks quite interesting from Jubilee. It's titled, Dating 5 Men Without Knowing Their Intentions. Wait for it.
Love or money.
So with that said, guys, make sure to destroy the like button and
smash your cash.
Want to do the honors and click the space bar and begin?
Wait, can I feel everyone's arms? Oh my god. Wait.
What if the roles were reversed? What if it was the guy that's like,
Hey, can I feel? Let me feel. Oh my gosh.
right?
Yep, you're right. Cause like, I would be like, why are you putting your hands on me, random dude?
One bachelorette is looking for love and will meet 5 potential matches.
And I'm in it for love.
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 Who, right off the bat, do you think is the gold digger?
I kind of think it's the guy with the long hair. So he seems like he might need the cash.
Surfer Bro and Necklace Bro are really standing out to me. They're all bros.
Yeah. You know what? Maybe all of the. You know what? I think this guy with the haircut, with the purge haircut, he's the only one who I think is in it for the love.
Squareface.
Squareface,
dude.
Yeah, I think him, and then maybe the guy in the bottom left, glasses. He could be. I think he's in it for love too. I think he already has money. He doesn't need it anymore.
I think red cardigan dude is also in it for love because his cardigan is red and that's romantic.
Yes. All right, but if I'm gonna lock anyone in here, I'm gonna say Surfer Dude, 100% money.
And Necklace Dude.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I am vegan, eco-friendly, I am pretty creative, and I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, imagine if the whole room gets up and leaves. All right, see ya.
She's a YouTuber, I'm done. Nothing else matters, just that she's a YouTuber, I'm done.
And what do you look for in a match?
Someone that's silly, someone that's fun, and someone who will drink and dance with me.
Ooh, will you guys drink and dance with her?
Easily, yes.
What if she said someone who will go to the grocery store with me for 2 hours?
If I go to the grocery store for milk, we're gonna be there for 2 hours.
That's a terrible time. What?
Well, I'd much rather drink and dance than go to the grocery store for 2 hours. Because at least you're doing 2 things at once and you're getting stuff done. Even if it isn't productive stuff, you're getting stuff done. The other way, you're just wasting time.
Yeah.
Now that you met your bachelorette, you're gonna decide if you're in it for love or money. Underneath your chair, you have an envelope and a marker, and you're gonna write if you're in it for love or money.
Did you see that nod there? When she's like, love or money, and he's like, money.
Yep, money. Did you say money?
Yep. She said money, and he was like, I think I just gave myself whiplash.
This is round 1, and it's all about the first impression. Hannah, you have 10 minutes to free for all, ask any questions you want, and speed date all of these lovely guys.
What if she just touches them the entire, it's just no questions?
Alrighty, first can we go down the line and say name, age, and what do you do for a job?
All right, my name is Logan, 26, and I'm working at Chipotle while I pursue acting.
Money for sure.
Money.
Yep, 100% money.
I said it.
Yep.
Hey, I'm Darren. I like your socks. I'm 23 and I work at a tech company.
Oh, yeah. See, he said he works at
Yeah,
a tech company.
He doesn't need the money. He's good.
My name's Emmanuel. I'm 22. I also like your socks. And I work as a physicist at Stanford remotely.
Wow, doesn't need the money.
Nope. Called that one.
Just watch this guy.
Hi, I'm Sebastian. I'm 21 and I'm looking for a marketing internship right now. And I also like your socks.
Yeah.
Sorry. Do you see Emmanuel's face looking at Surfer Bro there? He's like, dude.
You just stole my line. You basically just took my line, repurposed it, and claim it as your own.
Yeah, see, well, he's looking for marketing internships. That means A, he doesn't have money.
And B, he needs money.
Yes. And also C, he knows how to market himself to get
money.
the right result or money.
Yeah.
I'm Pearson, I'm 23, I'm a filmmaker. Your socks are all right.
Wait, that's actually hilarious. I expected him to be more frat bro-y, but he seems like he's like the look is frat bro.
That was on a whim. He was trying to say like, and your socks are also nice, but I think he butchered it at the very end.
Okay, alrighty.
You seem like you're a lot of fun. And the dancing thing really got my heart beating, so I'm about that.
He's trying
Look
to
at
get
him
money.
marketing.
Yeah.
He's marketing.
He's trying to get the money.
Marketing.
Favorite drink? Go.
Gin lemon. I'm a baby. I like lemonade.
Cute.
I've been drinking a lot of scotch lately because I'm an old man, I guess.
Maybe like a Hamm's beer.
Tequila sunrise.
Jack and Coke.
I bet none of them said happy dad. Happy Dad seltzer. Love it.
That would have been hilarious. Well, you would know at that point they would have to have money because
Yeah.
you can't get it anywhere and you have to buy it for like an upcharge price.
You know what? Let's get Happy Dad.
Are you gonna break your rule of not drinking on camera?
Yeah.
You drink your
For the
coffee.
vlog. For the vlog. We should try it.
All right.
I want to like see height differences. Okay, wait, I just want to like come up to you guys real quick. Oh, this is, okay.
But really quick, I just realized I'm kinda hungry, and thankfully our video sponsor today, HelloFresh, has come to the rescue. HelloFresh is a meal delivery service that cuts out time-intensive and stressful meal prepping so you can actually enjoy cooking with dinner on the table in just about 30 minutes. With this, you can make chef-curated meals delivered right to your door precisely at their peak freshness and flavor. It's also insanely delicious. They've got so many options to pick from every week. They're packed full with healthy options for everyone, and you've literally got restaurant-quality meals that you can make yourself with produce that gets to you faster than a grocery store. Plus, their pre-portioned ingredients means there's less prep for you and less wasted food. It saves you time, it's less stress than figuring out what to make yourself, and their carbon footprint is 25% lower than that of meals made from store-bought groceries. And listen, I gotta say, it's just really good food, and they've streamlined the process as much as possible to eat a healthy home-cooked meal. And you actually have fun making it without having to worry about forgetting an ingredient in the grocery store. So if you want to try them out for yourself, use the link down below in the description, or go to HelloFresh.com and use the code ICH14 to get 14 free meals plus free shipping. Yes, you heard that right, free food. It's really that easy. HelloFresh.com, use the code ICH14 and get 14 free meals plus free shipping. So enjoy that free food, guys, and with that said, let's get back to the video.
Yes, because everyone knows that any guys that are exactly 5'8" are only in it for the money. So she is doing a very good technical analysis here.
Yeah, again, if the roles were reversed, that's what I keep going back. If that were a guy getting up all clothes, it would be weird.
It is weird either way.
I know, that's true.
Oh, okay.
I'm just kidding.
What are you guys giggling about?
I'm by far the shortest on here.
Okay, okay. Wait, can I feel everyone's arms? Can I do that?
You at least though she asked before and everyone's consenting.
Yeah,
I know it's not, Graham, I know how you feel, but at least she's asking, she's not just walking up and being like, ha ha ha, let me feel up your arms.
They're put in an awkward position.
True.
They all said yes, and they're all being filmed. It would be awkward for them to say, no, you can't, if everyone else says yes. This guy for sure. The guy at the end does not want his arms touched. Look at his body language. That's no.
Okay, give me the tea.
I like all their personalities so far.
Yeah, they seem great. Do you think they're all here for love, some for money? Can you tell yet?
I can't tell.
How can she not tell Surfer Bro is there for money?
Yeah, the marketing intern, 100% money.
He's way too
Yeah.
eager about it.
Yeah.
Welcome back, guys. Did you guys have fun meeting Hannah?
A lot of fun.
A lot.
Well, two of you are about to be eliminated. Hannah?
Logan, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Wow, why is she? I thought she's really into it.
I thought she was vibing with the ones on the right three.
Yeah.
And you?
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, I feel bad. Maybe he wasn't. That'd be so sad if he was there for love.
Yeah.
What if both of those two were the only ones for love
I
and
know.
the rest are just money?
This is round two. Hannah's gonna get a little deeper with her potential matches, and she has 5 minutes to speed date all of them. Hannah, are you ready?
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Are we started? Are we starting?
Wow. No, I'm already a blank. I can't think.
That's actually a good sign, though.
What?
If she's thinking he's so cute that she is having a hard time forming sentences. Always a good sign.
Or she just is not into him at all, and she's just like, how much more time do we got? 5 minutes. Jeez, 5 minutes.
Well, do you remember our first date? I couldn't come up with good responses, so I just started showing you SpongeBob memes.
Oh, yes, yeah, the good old SpongeBob memes. Ride those babies for miles.
So you surf?
I do. Yes. Not well, but I try.
No way.
No, I know, it's the hair. I wish I was like a
No
superstar,
way.
but
Okay, but what are you the best at? What are you
planning
like?
second dates. But I guess you'd have to find out after.
He's
that's a
so
money.
sleazy.
Trying to get his money.
Unless he's only there for love, he's just really freaking corny.
Maybe.
If we go out and party and a bar fight arises, I can protect you for sure.
Yeah. If there was an apocalypse, like, do you think you would be the last one standing?
I'd make it to the final rounds, I think.
If she doesn't pick him, I'm gonna be actually mad because it seems like they have great chemistry.
Maybe.
What scares me?
Yeah.
Probably living in a world without family, like being the only one left.
I was always afraid of people in like mascot costumes, like Chuck E. Cheese, like stuff like that.
Okay, or I like sports games.
Yes.
What kind of YouTube videos do you make?
Okay, so a couple of years ago, this thing happened where my hair fell out, and I posted a video just talking about how.
Oh my gosh, I know who this is.
Really?
I saw that. Yeah, it's a lot of hair content.
Wow, a lot of hair content. Okay.
My hair fell out, and then that kind of blew up, and people wanted to know what I was doing next. So now it just kind of turned into me just testing beauty things and making people feel more comfortable.
Really?
No!
Oh my goodness.
Would love to stay in chat, but we'll maybe see you later.
We'll see ya.
You want a hug?
Yeah.
I'm a hugger, for sure.
I'll catch you later.
I'll see you later.
See ya.
So he's gonna be surfer dude, because you could see in the beginning he was sitting on the couch, and the red cardigan dude.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay, Hannah, so how do you feel?
I feel good.
The hug between you and Emmanuel, it was like long.
It felt real. He's a good
liked it.
hugger.
Are you ready to eliminate one guy?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
Yeah. Oh. I feel bad.
I think she'll get rid of the
Bro.
long hair guy.
Oh.
Unfortunately, we've come to the time where Hannah has to eliminate one person. Follow your heart. You got this.
Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry, Emmanuel.
Oh!
Bye. Bye. And it was a nice hug, too. You're a good hug.
I'm mad.
All right.
She sucks now. I don't like her.
I wonder why. Oh well. I thought for sure the long hair guy, but all right.
Sticking out my tongue at her.
Round 3 is all about getting more intimate with Hannah's potential matches. Are you ready to get closer with them?
Yes, I am.
Dig into their personal lives?
Take a seat.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Hello. I'm good.
We meet again.
We do meet again. Wow.
Is that her? What is that?
I think that's her.
Really? She's a squirrel.
You give off really good energy.
Okay, I'm glad. You do
Yeah.
as well. You do as well.
Thank you.
Nice.
Have you tried to date around in the past year?
This is my first time meeting a stranger even in like 14 months.
Oh my
so
God.
I'm glad it was
Lucky
you.
you.
Very, very.
Oh, that's a lie.
That's either a lie or that's a sign he's not really interested in a relationship right now. Either way is not good.
Yeah, what does he do again? He's a marketing intern.
No,
right?
he's trying to get a job.
Oh, gotcha. Well, if he's not seeing anybody in 14 months, maybe he's not going on interviews.
I think, well, when I'm dating, I kind of date for happiness. I'm not really the type to date for like marriage or anything, but like if your happiness turns into marriage eventually, then.
Oh,
She's gonna be that one
yeah.
that you're with him for like 12 years and you're like, where's the ring? Are we, do you want long-term
Yeah, it's
commitment?
like, no, I'm gonna go surfing right now. I'll be back in a little bit. Hang loose.
They're like 50, and,
Yeah.
and she's like, seriously, at this point we could still adopt kids and have grandkids. He's like, nah,
Nah, man,
surfing.
the waves right
Surfing,
now, bro.
my marketing internship.
my marketing internship's about to take off any day now.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Hi.
All right, Hannah, the time has come for you to choose who you want to go on another date with. Just a reminder, they could be in it for the money.
I think she's gonna pick long hair guy. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, so long hair guy, I'm gonna say he's in it for the money.
That'd be funny if she's like, I think the other guy's in it for the money, and then picks him.
Yeah, alright, let's see.
I choose Sebastian.
Yeah, okay,
Would you
we
go
knew
on a
it.
date?
We knew it.
I would love to.
Okay. Can we hug?
Yes, we can.
Okay guys, this is the final round. This show is all about seeing past the surfaces and trying to get to someone's true intentions. Do you think you did that today, Hannah?
Yes.
Do you think you made the right choice?
I think so.
That's money. Wait, that would be so funny. I think you chose love now, but
Oh, yeah, I
it'd be so
did.
funny if it was money.
Yeah. Let's see, that comment though, I think yeah.
Can
let's
you
see.
imagine if it was money and he made that
Yeah,
comment? I made the right choice.
wow.
This is Love or Money, and here you go. Time to reveal what you chose.
Oh, he's pulling out way too fast. He's excited. Oh! He did it. He did the money. He did the money. I knew it. I knew it. Was he the guy that I originally said was money? Like, just from the
Yes.
beginning? Yes!
Because I said green shirt, dude.
Yeah, let's
Oh my
see.
gosh.
Fantastic.
That's such an insult, such a burn.
And then it did. Well,
Wait, that's such a burn. I think I made the right choice.
gosh. All right, well.
Oh no!
He pulled that out way too excitedly,
I
and
know.
he's realizing he messed up.
At least he could have faked it. Been like, oh, I don't know, and we'll see.
Or not
We'll
say right before, I
Yeah,
think I
just-
made the right choice and pull it out so fast. Just act normal.
Well, they're never gonna see each other again, so.
Except
they got
for
the
on
money.
the internet.
Yeah.
I'm the bad guy.
But I mean, good for you.
All right.
Congratulations.
Well, I can't have you here any longer.
I
You can't get
understand.
her number. You can't get her socials.
That's brutal.
You have to leave without even saying bye, really.
Yeah, he does not care. He's like, all right, okay, we'll never talk again. I'm out.
All right, well,
Right.
it's been fun.
I like how they're like, you won't get her socials, but yet, like, she's a very public person.
Yeah, true.
You'll never be able to find her. She's just a
True.
YouTuber.
True.
What?
Wow.
What? Like, I'm.
I
Yeah,
want
you know
her
what-
to be able
yeah.
to pick one of the other guys, like Darren, and just say that, like,
Okay.
look, it was close on that.
Speechless.
Same.
You know what? He put it in half and
Oh,
fanned it out.
wait.
Look at
That
that.
guy was for love, and I kept
Wow.
saying money.
Wow, see? Money, okay,
Yeah, we
okay, I was
both
right.
agreed
I was
on
right
that.
on that. Money! Wow, everyone's for money. Let's see.
Oh!
Well, we knew he was gonna be for love. He
I
already
know.
had money. He
I
already
just
had
feel
money.
bad because he liked her and she chose the.
Wow. You know what sucks? Imagine if they both guessed love, they would both like secretly get money. I don't know.
She's great. Yeah, I mean, I feel bad for my choice even.
If it wasn't for money, would you have taken Hannah on a date?
I would have loved to, yeah. She's fun, she's cute. I mean, I'm traveling like all next year, so it just didn't really make sense for me to like get into a committed relationship right now.
And now you can pay for your travels.
Exactly.
I like how he's not even looking at her.
yeah,
They're having
yeah.
a conversation, Graham, and he's
Yeah.
like this. Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it doesn't really make sense, but he's saying all the right things, but
I was like ready to go to Malibu with him.
Right?
I was ready.
Learn how to surf.
I know. I'm sad, but you know, maybe there's someone for me out there.
what do you have to say about the episode?
I mean, we knew he was money. I just can't believe he so cruelly did that in front of like a camera, knowing he was going to go live. Like, I think I made the right choice.
Yeah, at
That's
least
brutal. It would have been a lot better if he didn't say that.
You know what? But she picked the surfer guy. He got the money. We got a great episode, and we could also get you to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm.
Will these people ever choose love?
So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, feel free to add us on Instagram. Our information is down below in the description. As with the podcast, the Iced Coffee Hour, new episodes being posted every single Sunday. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.